Hey guys, Kipster81 here. I got a box in the mail today from Steiner Tractor. I ordered some parts for my old 1863 Cub Cadet over here. The drag link ends on this thing are wore right out. I don't know how well you can. So, matter of fact, this one fell off and I've just been keeping it rigged up on there so that I can move it around with a zip tie. I would never take it out and try and use it that way in reality, but just moving it around in the shop here, it's not that big a deal. But back to the unboxing. I already nipped the tape on the top of this. It's from Steiner. It says new parts for old tractors right on the box. So old tractors are just cool anyway. Got the normal paper crap in there. Trying to do this one-handed and hold the camera is not easy. Entire parts catalog with all kinds of stuff in there. Everything you could possibly want for old tractors is in that catalog, I'll bet. Now let's see what else we got in here. Oh, this is great. I've been shipped parts from all over the world, and I have never ever gotten a snack right along with them to eat while I'm working, or as a reward when I'm finished working, for that matter. These are exactly what I need. And I got these things for like, I forget what exactly the price was, but it was like $15 as opposed to like 45 to get them from the dealer. So yeah, I'd say that's a worthwhile savings. And they look like they're pretty good here. Try not to cut my fingers off while I open this thing. Wow, these are really nice. They're really well made. They got that nice rubber boot on there. And that's some substantial metal. But yeah, I just thought that was great with the cowtails getting shipped to me right to my door along with my parts and my catalog. I just wanted to give the shipping department at Steiner a big thumbs up. That is awesome. Thanks for the snack. Catch you later. Check these guys out, and I'll put a link to Steiner down here in the description. That way anybody that watches the video can get in contact with them. And if you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to hit the like button down there and leave me comments and stuff, and I appreciate that because that helps the channel grow. Thanks guys. Catch you later.